Dude, that was awesome.
This is Josue, a subscriber I met in Philly to meet more people, step out of his comfort zone, and show you that you can talk to anyone. You're watching the 42nd episode of the Social Animal Subscriber Challenge. Enjoy.
What are you up to today? I'd love to meet up sometime. If I'm around here again, we'll hang out. Nice to meet you.
Okay, so today I'm in Philadelphia with Josue.
What's up, guys? So my name is Josue. I'm 18 years old. Just graduated high school. So I've always been like a reserved, shy person. Like if throughout my high school years, for example, like it was really hard to make friends because like I couldn't like express myself like how I wanted. I would see something interesting happen and like I would never like, or an interesting person, and I would never like approach them or like, you know, spark a conversation or anything, right?
Have you ever kissed a girl?
In elementary school.
Okay. Okay. So I assume you're a virgin?
Yeah. Okay.
What's the thing that holds you back?
I don't know. It's that like nervousness. Like I'm over it, you know. Like it's just like, yeah. I just see a pretty girl and I'm just like, oh shit. Like, you know what I mean? Like.
Okay. Any last words before we start?
No last words. Just do it.
Let's go.
Yes. Hello? Okay. Hey, how you doing? I'm doing great. You know him?
No.
Alright, so I'll be honest with you, I saw you from over there and I thought you were really cute. I just wanted to start a conversation. What you up to today?
Sorry?
What are you up to today?
Nothing.
Nothing?
I just didn't want to be with my roommates at home, so I was going to try to do some work at Starbucks, but it's full, so I'm eating here.
Oh, okay. You're in school?
Mm-hmm.
What are you studying?
Film and TV.
Film and TV? Oh, like, what do you want to do? Like you want to be a director or something? Or what?
I don't know yet.
Oh, you're Hispanic?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Costa Rica.
Costa Rica? Oh, I'm from Guatemala, actually. Yeah, so we're kind of nearby. Have you ever been there? No, you've never been there? I've never been to Costa Rica either. I heard it's really nice.
Yeah.
Like, it's like very like a lot of beaches, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's cool. Right, it was nice to meet you. Do you think I could get your number? If we can hang out sometime? Thank you. I'll shoot you up a text. I need to go meet up with my friends now. Alright, thank you. Yeah, no problem.
Bon, Josue. That's it.
That felt a lot better than the first one.
The day's over. Nice.
Oh,
That's
okay.
it.
Nice to meet you, man. It was exhilarating, honestly. It was like really, yeah. It was.
Obviously, this is great, you know. Just a few feedbacks. I was like, when you ask a question, you talk so fast. What are you studying?
Oh, okay.
Just relax,
Yeah.
you know. The other thing is, you know, you ask her like, oh, can I get your number? You know, but the truth is that, you know, you're not collecting phone numbers, right? Like,
Right.
what you want is you want to see her again, right? The phone numbers is just a formality of like, that's just the
Right.
way you're gonna stay in touch, right?
That's the means to an end.
Yeah, exactly. But otherwise, yeah, it was good. It's a great start, you know. So let's keep going. The gym.
An hour.
Bro, once you're there, it's like it was like there's like a magical wall in between us. It was just like it's propelling me.
You want to do it?
Huh?
You want to do it?
Yes, but
Okay,
it's
so
just,
we can't stop on this like, you know, failure to act, right? So
Coming in style, dude.
what?
you skateboard?
Yeah.
You don't want skateboards or?
Yeah.
Huh? You guys all skateboard?
No,
Pretty much?
I don't. Oh,
Just me and Jabari.
Huh?
Just
Just you guys?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. How long you been skateboarding for? Yeah, I've been trying to get into it, but I'm scared, man.
I feel that.
It's pretty scary.
It is.
Yeah. Right. Huh?
I have no fear and like the highest fucking pain tolerance, so that's why.
Oh, okay.
I got hit by a car. It was really fun.
I get hit by cars all the time.
It was nice to meet you guys, yeah.
I know that's right.
I didn't catch your name.
Huh?
I didn't catch your name.
Oh, it's
What's
Josue.
your name? Jose?
Yeah.
Do you have Instagram? It was super nice to meet you.
Yeah, it was. It's JDav _
Yes?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. All right.
see you
Nice to
around.
meet you.
the first time that happened, the subscriber challenge, where
Damn, we weren't recording that.
someone just picked you up. It was good that you went,
Yeah.
but you didn't.
I didn't even talk to the girl.
Yeah, you didn't even talk to her.
So what happened was the skateboard was kind of really interesting to me.
No.
So
Okay, like right now you're bullshitting.
I am bullshitting. I'm bullshitting. It's complete bullshit.
I think a part of me kind of wants you to go back because now that this guy came and asked for Instagram, I think now it would be cool if you like went back and you say, hey, actually, like I'll be honest with you, like actually I wanted to talk to you. I thought you were cute, but I didn't know what to say, so I started talking about the skateboard, and then I got a bit overwhelmed. But then since like he came back to get my Instagram, now I'm thinking like fuck, like I should just go for it. I think this would be hilarious.
God, this is so
I think
hard.
if you go back, like that's where the real, like that's where the real learning happens, right?
Yeah.
So let's go.
Guys, give me your energy. Give me.
Millions of people are waiting for you to inspire them.
Okay. All right.
Go for it. This is gonna
Okay.
be cool. This is gonna be cool.
Hello. Sorry, I'm back again. So I actually came here at the beginning because I thought you were really cute. So and huh?
That's my girlfriend.
Well, that ends here. Right. No. So I came here and I just got overwhelmed. So but then you inspired me, like just go for it, right? So
I feel that.
So I just came here, right? Shoot my shot, all right?
Very interesting. I feel it.
Huh?
No worries.
It's crazy.
Try them. The singers.
Yeah, the one in the pink
Right.
glasses.
You dare me to?
Yes,
You dare me to? You dare me?
please. I will cry.
Wait, the one on guitar? Huh?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
All right, I'll do it. I'll try. I'll sing. Is he?
Go ahead.
Wait, she's kind of playing a song right now.
Interrupt her while she's playing and be like, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
I feel like, hey, you're hot.
just like that.
Yeah.
Hey, you're hot. Let's meet up. Give me your number right now. Okay.
When you're done singing.
Don't have to take all the money.
I hope it's not like that's really sad.
I think it's kind of rude to interrupt her.
Just be like,
I'm just gonna go, hey, my friend thinks you're cute.
No, hold on. No, don't do that. I'll do that.
She's
No.
begging for fun.
That's kind of like elementary school was. I see what
You're like
Bravo. What is that? Nirvana, right?
yeah.
Nice. How long you been playing guitar?
Like a while. Like since like I was in second grade, but then I kind of stopped for a while.
Oh, nice. I've actually been thinking of doing this. It's kind of I
my
play guitar
first
too.
time.
It's your first time?
Yeah, I'm like so nervous.
It's
but
crazy.
It's going well.
Now you're doing really good.
Thank
Like
you.
actually, like really good.
Thank you.
How,
so much.
yeah. What 2 years though? That's.
No,
Huh?
way longer than 2 years.
Oh,
Since I was
you
in
said?
like second grade. So, like,
Oh yeah.
2 years.
I put second with 2 years. Right. I play guitar too. I'm playing maybe like 4 years around there. You play just acoustic or electric too?
I play both.
Right.
Yeah, how about you? Just acoustic.
I play both too. Yeah, but with rock, you're more into like electric. Hey, yeah, I'm really interested that you play amazing. You want to jam out sometime? Something?
Yeah, sure, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can
Right.
give you my Instagram.
Could I give you my Instagram? I don't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you have the drum sound.
Yeah, that's it.
Very cool.
Right, I have like 2 guitar videos. Honestly, I'm gonna start uploading more though. Do you upload?
No, I
Huh?
need to. I should.
Yeah, you really should. I mean, you could like I don't know, get discovered or something. Honestly, you're really good.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. I did. It's kind of
I liked
awkward.
your little skip.
Huh?
I liked your little skip when you turned around.
I did.
Yeah.
Honestly, when I'm nervous, I don't even know what I'm doing. It's just like
I can tell.
I like it.
Yeah, it's kind of like the first time I ever do this. Yeah. Yeah, you guys are awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah. If I'm around here again, wanna hang out? All of us? Yeah, that'd be amazing, huh? Yeah, he has my Instagram. Yeah. All right.
I've already followed you as well.
Oh, you followed me? All right, I'll follow you all you guys back. Okay. All right. Thanks. All right. It's so great to meet you guys. All right. Dude, that was awesome.
That was awesome.
That was awesome. That was amazing. Like, actually, like this is like I feel like a fucking baller right now. Like, like I can do anything in life.
Wow.
Like, that's exactly how I feel. Yeah, they were just awesome, man. Like, they were just really cool people. Like honestly, if I'm ever around here again, like, I would love to hang out with them. I literally told them that. I feel like a brand new man now right now. This just gave me a huge boost of energy. How's it going, people? How's it going? Thought you were really cute. Saw you over there. What you guys up to today? What you guys up to today?
Some shopping.
Shopping?
Browsing.
All right.
Walk around. Yeah. How about you?
Same. Kind of the same. Yeah, shopping. Kind of need new shoes. Right?
Nice.
Yeah. What's your name? Josue. Josue. All right. I'd love to meet up sometime if you like. Yeah, boyfriend.
Sorry.
All right. Sorry. Thank you. Good. Honestly, I'm kind of numb to the rejection. Like, it's kind of like I don't even care anymore.
Yeah, there's no.
I literally don't. I walked up there and I had no, like, I wasn't nervous at all anymore. Like, it was just like, what can I lose, right? Like, it's just.
I did notice though that you do talk fast.
I do
like,
talk
at some point,
fast.
you didn't even hear what you said.
Hey, sorry to interrupt. I just came because I saw you. I thought you were cute. Yeah, I just wanted to say hi. How's it going? You guys come here often?
Yeah.
No?
I don't.
You don't?
Sometimes.
It's kind of like
Only when there's weddings
Sometimes?
here. I come to watch the weddings.
weddings. Oh, so you're like a kind of like a hopeless romantic, huh? Sort of. That's good. It's kind of what I am right now.
Professional people watching.
Huh?
We're professional people watching.
Oh, like your just job is to watch weddings? Oh, I mean, that's pretty awesome, man.
It doesn't
Right.
make me any money.
Huh?
I don't make any money doing it. The benefits are
I'd imagine. Yeah, but I'd love to meet up sometime. Could I get your number or something?
Oh, no, listen, I'm really flattered.
It's alright. It's alright. Okay. It's alright. So, I don't know. Like after, I was like so like high. Like I was like so amped up and like for a while like we weren't finding anyone. So I'm kind of like went away and I'm so like drained. You know.
Yeah, because it's been like 3 hours and it's kind of cold, so there's not as many people around. And so yeah, you feel a bit. It's okay. I mean, that's life, you know. Like,
Right.
that's actually pretty realistic.
Sorry to interrupt. I came here because I saw you. I thought you were cute. Yeah. What's your name?
Yeah, I have a boyfriend.
Oh, that's fine.
Sorry.
So nice to meet you. Nice to meet you all. All right.
How was today?
It was good. I'd say it was very top heavy.
Very what?
Very top heavy. Like,
What does that mean?
like it was very like intense in the beginning and then
Okay.
kind of really calmed down and then.
Okay.
But I mean I loved that I got to experience like this because I usually never do this ever.
Okay.
So
Okay.
yeah, it was nice. There was some good moments. There was bad moments. Very awkward moments.
Okay.
But yeah, it was great. Yeah.
Okay.
I talk very fast, and you know, calm things down a bit. Also, you know, be more in the moment. Yeah, you were right about me saying, like for example, I asked for their names. I asked for like filler questions,
Okay.
and I want to improve on that.
Okay.
I loved it. It was great. Like, it was exhilarating, honestly.
What do you have to tell people who are watching?
Okay. Once you do it, even if they reject you, you won't even care. Like it's just like whatever. Like just do it, honestly. Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Any last words?
No? That's it.
Okay. That's it.
If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. As always, my email is ruben@socialanimal.us, so if you want to chat, if you want to work with me, and especially if you want to do the challenge, shoot me an email. The challenge is completely free, and I'm done to travel all over the world, so just hit me up and we'll make it happen. That's it for today. See you next time.